Hello everyone and welcome in another video. Today I'm recording this video because I just want to share with you my recent finding. So as probably many of you already face this issue or will be in the future, as you extending your sounds library as I did in the recent weeks, I have purchased a lot of sounds from different sources, different shops, and I store them on my sound library folder. And I have like a lot of folders within the folders, and there are a lot of sounds, and I was very struggled to actually find something for my game. So at the time when I needed very good sound, or I tried to find some sound for my UI elements for the background music, I was I spent a lot of time to actually browse through these folders, and it was very time consuming. So I've been searching for some tools to help me out with this process, and I found a very good tool which I haven't tested for long yet, but I see already benefit by using it. Is ADSR Sample Manager. This is like a free program which I was really surprised because it's really good and it's really make my life a bit easier. So as you see, you can add your library here, and then you can just navigate whatever your library file with all of the sounds is. And this program will automatically import it and will tag it with the specific tags based on the name of the file. So I have like you can browse your libraries through based on the folders or based on the tags, and you can search for the tag. And as you see, I have a list of the tags here, but this is not all what this program can do. Let me just see some of the files. Let's say interface clicks, and you can play the sound straight away from here. You can actually type whatever you're searching for. So I will search for click, and this program will, as you see, the tags will show you all of the clicks from the selected folder. So as you see, if I click on the sounds library, all of the click sounds are in. And you can play them straight away. But this is not all what this program can do. You can also modify your sounds. So let's say I have this click sounds, you can actually show in the Explorer to actually get the location of this file. And also you can cut the sounds within this editor. So if you want to modify the sound, let's say I just want to cut the sounds from here to there. So I just want to make the sounds very short. And then let's try to play it. I can make it even shorter. I can change the pitch, change some of the setting, the gains, and I can actually make some fading in and out effect within the sample. So now when I play, maybe this sounds actually not a good example. Maybe it will better looks on some loops, but this is just for the demonstration. So once you edit it, you can actually get to the folder where you want to export your sound. So I want to just export it here. Let me just move it like that. You can actually select from this list if you want to grab the raw file, which is the original file, or process file, and then you can just grab it. Let's say I just want to copy the raw file and then grab it and drop it into the folder, and this file will be automatically copied. So you don't have to like go to the folders and searching for the files and then copy it. You can do it from within the program, and then you can just modify the file. Let's say I just want to modify this file. I put it here, and then I can get this modified version explored to my folder. And this file is of course going to be named differently, but in order to export the processed version, I actually need to select this processed, and then I can export it. Okay, so as you see, this file is actually named differently. It's trimmed, so I just found myself to be this small tool to be very useful. And if you go on the website where you can get this tool, so here's the website. You can go to actually plugins, and then sample manager, and as you see, this program is free. So you just need to put your email address, name, and then you can get this program for free. So I think this is a very nice program to actually maintain your sounds library. Hopefully you find it useful. It was very useful for me, and I really like the interface, and I really like the way the thing that you can modify the sounds effect within this program. I usually use the Audacity to do that. For every single file I used in my game, but from now probably I will use just this tool to actually modify the sounds. So let me know in the comments if you have any better tool to actually maintain your sounds library. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.